Welcome to you all. Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is a SST Edupedia and I am Assistant Professor Namrata Singh. Today we are going to discuss on the subject Commerce 5, which comes under the TYBCom Semester 5. First we are going to discuss about the contents. It is divided into the 4 parts. In the 4 modules, the first module 1 is Introduction to Marketing. Module 2, Marketing Decision Part 1, Module 3, Marketing Decision Part 2, and Module 4, Key Managerial Dimensions. So what is exactly marketing? Whenever we are discuss about the marketing, the first thing comes in our mind, that is a buying and selling of goods. But in the reality, in the marketing, we are not only selling the goods, but also we are selling the services. So, in short, what is the marketing? The term marketing has evolved over a period of time. The traditional concept of marketing revolved around profit maximization, where the aim of the seller is to only sell the products for earning the profit. But after the changes, after the new industrial policies and after the changes in the business environment, it consists of creating, prompting and delivering products to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer. In today's time, marketers give more emphasis on needs and wants of the customer, because customer is the king in the market. If customer is not satisfied, so any marketer cannot survive in the market for a long period of a time. So, according to marketing guru Dr. Philip Kotler defines marketing as: marketing is a social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and values with others. In short, here marketers not only exchange the goods but also exchange the values. It means, in short, it gives more importance to the ideas than ideas of the customer, as well as satisfy the needs and wants of the customer. Now we are going to discuss about the features of the marketing. In these, the first one is continuous process. Now what is the continuous process? Marketing is start with marketing research and end with MIS, that is the marketing information system, where marketers supply regular goods and services in the market as per the needs and wants of the customer. Because without transferring goods and services in the market, any market activities cannot be fulfilled. Second one is involves exchange. Here, exchange is the essence of the marketing. Without exchange, any marketing cannot work, where buyer and seller exchange goods and services with money or money's worth. Then next one is coming in this, that is a transfer of ownership. Here goods and services transfer from seller to buyer. After that, buyer becomes the owners of the goods. He becomes the holder of the goods, where like marketing functions like financing, packaging, etc., risk bearing can lead to quick transfer of the ownership. Means apart from the goods also, marketer transfer the risk bearing factors and other factors also. Then in this comes goods, services and ideas. When we discuss about the goods, goods are always the tangible things. It means जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं, हम फील कर सकते हैं, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, that is the goods. Services are always intangible in nature. जिसे हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, but we can feel, as per from our experience, as per our need and ideas. When we exchange the ideas from one person to another person, or for the purpose of the awareness among the customer or awareness among the society. For example, save water, save earth, after that pulse polio like दो बूंद जिंदगी की, adult education, AIDS awareness, safe driving. So these things are comes under the marketing. In the services comes like airline services, banking services, insurance services, and when we discuss about the goods, in this come tangible items like car, clothing, magazines, table, wood, etc. Next come in this, that is the customer oriented. यहाँ पे मार्केटर का मेन कंसेप्ट, मेन फॉर्म होता है कस्टमर. एज पर ही अगर कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड है सो लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए वो एक अच्छा रिलेशन मेंटेन करके अपने गुड्स को मार्केट में कंटिन्यूअस बेसिस पे सेल कर सकता है. सो द मेन एम ऑफ मार्केटर इज टू सेटिस्फाई द नीड्स ऑफ द कस्टमर. So it starts with the identifying the needs of the customers and ends only after sale services. And without satisfying the customer, any marketer cannot achieve their objective. So for that they are trying to delight the customer. Delight means to satisfy एट एडिशनल वे. उससे एडिशंस में उस हमें और कुछ प्रोवाइड करना है और वो बेसिस पे ही हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाइड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आज के टाइम पे बहुत सारी कंपनीज ऑफर्स, डिस्काउंट्स इस तरीके का प्रमोशंस करती है जिससे कस्टमर क्या हो, सेटिस्फाइड हो और प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके अट्रैक्ट हो. फॉर एग्जांपल बाय 2 get 1 फ्री, 50% एक्स्ट्रा, 20% एक्सेट्रा. देन डिस्काउंट्स देते हैं ओनली ₹89, ओनली ₹59. इट मीन्स पहले उसका प्राइस अगर था ₹79, नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू सेल ओनली इन ₹60. सो लाइक दिस वे जो वो सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो कस्टमर उस कंपनी से अट्रैक्ट होता है, उसके ऑफर से अट्रैक्ट होता है और मेनी ऑफ टाइम्स अगेन एंड अगेन वो उसके ही गुड्स को परचेज करेगा. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन इज कम इन दिस commercial as well as non-commercial organization. See, marketing is not only applicable in the commercial area but also it is applicable in the non-commercial organization. Non-commercial organizations like schools, colleges, clubs, etc. to attract the best talent by offering various courses, incentives, etc. आज के टाइम पे हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस भी प्रमोशंस करते हैं रिगार्डिंग की विच सर्विसेज दे आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड टू देयर स्टूडेंट्स. कौन से अट्रैक्टिव सर्विसेज को प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, लाइक ऐसी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, अलग कौन से फैसिलिटीज़ से वो स्टूडेंट से अट्रैक्ट करने वाले हैं, उनके यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट फैसिलिटीज़ है या फिर नहीं है, या फिर जो स्लो लर्नर स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए स्पेशल वर्क क्या कर रहे हैं. सेम लाइक दिस हॉस्पिटल सेक्टर्स भी मार्केटिंग कंसेप्ट यूज करती है इन टुडेज टाइम. इन दैट दे आर शोइंग द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज लाइक 24/7 में वो कौन सी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल कर रहे हैं और किस तरीके से पेशेंट्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा. नेक्स्ट वन कम इन दिस इन्वॉल्व्स वेरियस फंक्शंस. मार्केटिंग नॉट ओनली डन विथ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज but it provides various functions like marketing research, product planning and development, branding, advertisement, packaging, transportation, and these functions enables the marketer to serve their consumers effectively. So next one is come in this achieve organizational objective. Setting objectives of any organization is a very must, like earning profits, creating goodwill, expansions and diversifications of a product. So for that, they conduct the different kinds of the activities to achieve these organizational objectives. It means they don't want to earn only the profit, but sometimes they want to provide services to the society as a social welfare. For example, Reliance NGOs run करता है, which is directly or indirectly benefited to the society members. Same like as Tata company, उनके हॉस्पिटल्स रन हो रहे हैं, which is a specialized for the cancer patients. So like this way, they are trying to achieve their organizational objectives. Next one is come social responsibilities. Prior the marketing concept, the main aim of the buyer is to only earn the profit instead of giving better services to the customer. But now it has undergone the significant changes because it no longer concentrates only on the profit maximization but fulfilling the social responsibility, which is the very most essentials for the modern marketing, because they want to maintain a balance between the company profit plus social welfare plus customer satisfaction. Next is come in these features of marketing. So what is the features of marketing? In that, the next point was dynamic marketing environment. Whenever we are discuss about the environment always are dynamic in nature. कौन सी सिचुएशन कब चेंजेस हो जाएगी, इसके लिए हम कुछ भी प्रिज्यूम नहीं कर सकते हैं, because of many factors affected to the market. For example, Pastrel analysis. P refers to political factors, A refers to economical factors, S refers to social factors, and T refers the technological factors, and L refers to the legal factor. And these factors are uncontrollable in a nature, and because of these, marketing situations are always dynamic in situation. For example, हम सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. Many of times we are saw कि cigarettes and alcohol is injurious to the health. So कंपनीज उसे सेल करती है मार्केट में, नो डाउट, बट उसका प्रमोशन वो नहीं कर सकती है बिकॉज ऑफ लीगल एनवायरमेंट. लीगली इट्स नॉट अलाउड. द नेक्स्ट वन इज कम इन दिस, that is a focus on the target customer. The main aim of the marketer is to satisfy the need and want of the consumers, but for that they always concentrate on the customer. So for that they identified the needs of the customer, and after that they target the customer to satisfy their needs and wants. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.